That's what she said. That's where we came from, the rapids.
Don't worry that you can't see everything on the side road because halfway during the trip we switch sides. And even though we go between